Hi everyone, today I am going to be explaining you what is the difference between hear and listen. How do we use them, when to use hear and when to use listen. Very important topic, so please pay attention and then watch this video from beginning till end in order to get benefited. Okay, now let's get started. Now we see hear and listen here. What can be the difference hear and listen or else listen to? First of all, now hear meaning. What is the meaning of hear? Here it is like ordinary word to say that something comes to our ears. Here is the ordinary word to say something that comes to our ears. Be here. Okay, that we need to keep in our mind. Now, for example, suddenly I heard a strange noise. Suddenly I heard a strange noise. As I gave the explanation also, here is a word that comes to in our mind to hear something. Okay, for example, we can say here is an ordinary word to say that something comes to our ear. Now, for example, I want to say what I heard. Okay, what came to in my ear? I just want to say that. Now, expression. Suddenly I heard a strange noise. Maybe I was going somewhere at night and then suddenly I heard a strange noise. I got afraid of hearing that. It is one kind of something which comes to in our ear. To express that we say hear. Okay, to say something which comes to in our ear, we use in that situation hear, not listen. We cannot say I listened a strange noise. No, we can't say. It cannot be said. Next, can you hear me? Can you hear me? I want somebody to hear me. That's what the explanation is given. The word to say that something comes to our ear. Can you hear me? I want somebody to hear me. So in order to that, I'm expressing myself by saying, hello, can you hear me? Okay, and then after that, listen or else listen to. What is the meaning of listen? Listen meaning talk about paying attention. Please make sure that listen means talk about paying attention. Now, when we say listen, listen means to talk about paying attention. Listen carefully. Pay attention. It means please pay attention. Maybe for example, I am taking class and then students, they are sitting in the class. I cannot say here. I will say please listen carefully. Once you listen all the lectures in the class, and then you will have no problem to attempt your all the questions because you have paid attention in the class. Does it make sense? Hope it makes. So it's like now when we talk about listen, it's like paying attention to the sounds that are going on in progress. The sounds that are going on in progress. Anything, maybe as I told you, like somebody is delivering speech, the sound which is going on in progress. Then we announce to our students, we announce to someone, please listen carefully, listen these words, listen that statement. Somebody is speaking something, it's very, very important for you. Okay. And then after that, like it's like idea of concentrating. We can say that when we use listen means it's one kind of idea of concentrating. Here does not mean that I need to concentrate. Here means whatever comes to in my ear, whatever I hear, fine. But then listen means that I pay my attention. I concentrate on that, the difference. Okay, next, now few examples are there now here. I heard them talking upstairs. I heard them talking upstairs. I heard them talking upstairs. Okay, but I did not really listen to their conversation. But I really did not listen to their conversation. I heard them talking. I heard them talking upstairs. I heard them talking upstairs. But I really did not listen their conversation. That means I don't know what were they talking. But I heard. I heard. Then the conversation, what they were doing, the progress means the words what they were speaking that were in progress. So I did not pay attention. I did not listen to their conversation. I did not listen to their conversation means I did not pay attention. Okay, what are they speaking? Okay, let me listen carefully. No, I heard them talking upstairs, but I really did not pay attention of their conversation. Now, listen carefully. Please, if I want somebody to listen my lecture, to pay attention on me, whatever I am speaking to them, so I will not say them, hear me. I will say, listen me, please. That means pay attention on me. Whatever I am going to speak, please concentrate your mind and listen to my thoughts, ideas, whatever I am going to be speaking to you. Means that's very important for you, and then the people, they should be paying attention on that. Okay, next. Could you speak louder? I cannot hear you. Not listen. That comes to our ear. Could you speak louder? I could not hear you well. I could not. I can't hear you well. Yeah. Could you speak louder? I can't hear you well. Could you speak louder? I can't hear you well. Here it's not listen. Here, I can't hear you well. Here, words to say, something that comes to our ear. Okay, but listen, paying attention, concentrating, these are the very, very important things when we use listen. And then like listening a piece of music also, that means we pay attention there also. By listening that music, sometime we dance and then we also start singing something. That means we are paying attention in that music. Next, I didn't hear the phone. I didn't hear the phone. Okay, because I was listening to the radio. I didn't hear the phone. That means I did not get that means phone did not ring. That means my ear could not hear that phone was ringing because I was listening to the music, to the radio. While phone was ringing, I could not hear the ringtone of phone. Reason, because I was listening music. I was listening music means I was paying attention to the listening music. At the moment, phone might be ringing, but that ringtone I did not hear, not listen. I did not hear means that words, means that sound did not reach to my ear. Fine. See, ordinary word to say that something comes to our ear. Something comes to ear. That sound did not come to my ear. That's what I did not hear because I was listening music. Because I was paying attention to listen to the music. Okay. And the next, listen and listen to. Listen and listen to. How to use listen and listen to. Where to use listen and listen to. what can be the difference between listen and listen to? There is no much difference, that we just need to keep in our mind. Now, listen to me. Okay, listen to me. Here, listen with exclamatory sign. Okay, expressing a strong feeling, emotion, and listen to me. Okay, so listen to is always used, listen to plus object. So listen to is used with object and listen is used without object. Object which comes after subject. Listen to me, listen to Rahul. Okay, here Rahul is object, me is object. But if we are using listen without object, there is no need to use to. So we need to make sure that listen to is used with object and listen is used without object. Okay, so this was all about the difference between hear and listen, and how do we use them differently, and what are the differences that we should be aware of that. So hope you have got something from this video. So make sure that you keep watching and keep supporting our channel. Thanks a lot.